click on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is my homegrown lemons. Look at these. You don't see it until you get closer to these. All full with the lemons. Look at these. Wow. So many. I mean, if I go like this, look at this. Oh boy. These are fresh lemons I'm going to use for my cooking. For my cooking recipes. These are always handy, you know. My son, he breaks these and give it to Bruno. And he plays as a ball. He enjoys. Sheru and Bruno, they are standing right there. I'm going to take these out. Look at these over there. I'm going to pluck the oranges. These are really good. It's a time, you know. The tree don't have that many, but look at that. One place, the 4 of these. You guys want it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to share with you. Let's go to bed. Come on. Okay. Come on, Sheru. This is good. Get up on the bed. So when it comes to the fruit, oh boy, they want to have a piece of it. Both of you, nice boys. This time I'm going to taste it first, okay? Good, good. Bruno? He's always like that. Sheru, watch how he's gonna eat. Watch, I will show you. Bruno enjoys it. Sheru won't eat it until like this. Sheru, Ala, Ala, poo poo. Sheru, bete, come. Look. Look, he's mad that no. Okay, Ade, Daddy. I have to eat it first. Oh. Come on, taste it. Sheru, taste it. Bruno, you have 3 of these. Wait until he eats it. Look at this. Come on, come. Eat it. Okay, Bruno, you take it. Lay down. Lay down. These are the sweet oranges. And Bruno eats it right away. Watch. Bruno loves oranges. My wife used to eat tangerine before when he was a little. She used to give him. And he loves it. But this fellow, oh man, this is so picky. He will eat it. He don't like the soft things. He just don't like it. Now he's eating it. Oh yes, he likes it. You want more? Bruno, you have 5, right? So that's the second, that's the third. So 2 more left. So that's gonna make it 5. But I'm gonna give him 4. You can have 1 more. Okay? This is 1 for you. I did not told him that Bruno eat. I left it over there. He's not going to eat. German Shepherd dogs, do you love German Shepherd? He's a nice boy. He's very disciplined. And this guy is on a mission, he's eating. He won't eat it because I left it on his feet. That means he needs the command. You want to eat it? You like it? Okay, go eat. See? This is how they enjoy it. they wanted more. Yeah? Both of them wanted more. They love fruit. Sheru, you want it? Bruno wants it. So that's how Sheru and Bruno, they enjoy the oranges. This is fresh home oranges, just plucked right off the tree. But good thing about it, they don't break it or anything. One day Bruno started jumping, you know, because as I mentioned that the lemon tree in the front, and my son gave it to him to play as a ball. So he thinks there was a ball too. I told him, Bruno, never touch those. And he never touched it. He's a good boy. He listen. He always listen. And this is my little boy. Bruno, you can eat these. You can eat these. Sheru don't want to eat. You can eat it. So thank you guys for watching. Say bye to everyone. They don't want to say bye. They want to eat more. So this is how I share. And this is how they love together.